This Select Realty property video is presented by Brittany Roberts. Discover the potential of this vintage gem nestled in the heart of historic Mena, Arkansas. This 1920 home is a fixer-upper's dream, offering a canvas for your creativity and vision. Embrace the character and charm of yesteryears with this vintage home, ripe for restoration. With 2 full bathrooms, a laundry room, and a butler pantry, this home offers functionality alongside its historic appeal. Spacious layout great for entertaining. Enjoy the fresh air and views from your own private balcony, perfect for morning coffee or evening relaxation. Some original wood floors are waiting to be lovingly restored, adding warmth and character to your space. For more information, review the details below or contact Brittany Roberts at 479-394-7676.